What's going on YouTube? Mike here again. This time I wanted to do another eBay video for you guys. I just wanted to give you guys an insight of what I do day to day, just to give you an idea of what it's like to be a guy who hustles on eBay. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long time, made over $1 million on it, so I just want to give you insight. So this is my office. It's a complete mess, as you can see, but first thing I do is, of course, I hop onto my computer and I answer emails. That's what I do. First off the bat, it's about 9 o'clock right now. I answer emails. I make sure that people who want refunds, they get the refunds. If there's any issues or problems with the items I sent, if they're broken or it's missing in the mail, I make sure that I handle that first. I make sure that I take care of my customers. So if the reason why is that if you guys are trying to fight for every dollar and you guys are trying to, think everyone's trying to scam you or something like that, you'll make it back through time. So if you're trying to do business for a very, very long time, it's very important that you do, have customer service, fix things that are broken, fix things that you missent, do those types of situations, because you might lose out a little bit of money in the beginning or, in that transaction, but you'll get it back with the customers that you, that will repurchase or, have good feedback. So be a good business person and help people out in those situations. So I go in my iMac and I answer all the eBay questions that I have. I look at my orders. Let's see, I go to my eBay, I see my orders, and I have like hundreds of orders to do right now. And let's see how many questions I got. I got like 30 eBay messages, and then I check emails as well for some of my wholesale clients that want to purchase a lot from me. I go to those people as well. So pretty much in the very beginning of the day, I have about maybe an hour and a half of just communication with people, emails, eBay messages, and I just make sure everything is answered as quickly as possible. So I'm gonna hop to it, and I'll bring you back on the next stage of what I do. All right, guys, I'm in stage 2 now. It's about 10:30. Like I said, it's about an hour and a half. Granted, I watched a lot of ESPN. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and avert my attention. Would have been a little bit quicker, but my daily stance is I look at the ESPN basketball, what's going on, and I watch highlight videos because I don't have cable, so I just majority watch stuff. So anyway, I'm at my shipping station right now, so you can see all the little boxes here. That's all my bubble wrap envelopes that I buy. Majority wise, I use these. I use a 4x8 and a 6x10 bubble wrap. I use the paper ones because I think they offer a little bit more protection versus the poly bag ones. Anyway, so I have stamps.com. This is what I use to pack everything. So I have it. Stamps.com is free if you have a eBay account, I think. Anyway, I import everything from eBay to stamps.com, and then it populates everything that I need to ship through eBay. So right here, I'm importing all my orders from eBay. So everything that I have to ship goes to stamps.com, and it's a lot quicker because, like I said, it's the only way until eBay has a way to use a zebra printer, a thermal printer. I'll stick to stamps.com. Plus, it doesn't cost me anything, and I just found that using stamps.com, it really cut importing time in half of doing my packages, shipping my packages. Next phase after I populate the list is that I go on my phone. I go on my iPhone right here. If it recognizes my face, iPhone. And then I open the eBay app. Okay, and then come on. Work for me. So while this is populating, it tells me how many orders I need to pick up. and when it populates, hopefully. So it tells me what I need to pick up, and this is when I get a tub and I go to the back of my warehouse. So here is populated. I go to my back of my warehouse and then I pick up all the items all at once. Let me go and take you to the back, kind of show you. It's a little dark, but so I get a little mailing tub right here. Okay, it's dark, but it's not as dark, but there you go. So I have tubs and tubs and tubs of stuff, like all organized. And I go with my nifty phone. Just scroll to the bottom. So, and then I look at what stuff that I have to pick up. Pick up the thermostat. And then I drop it in the tub. So that is step 3. So when I get everything collected, I'll go to step 4. All right, got my packages. As you can see, some of them, the little tub, a little filled up right quick. And now I put them in envelopes and I put a sticker on them. So this is gonna take a while, maybe, depending on how my attention is averted from YouTube. I also will have packages that come in from, you know, my distributors. So usually right now, since I work alone, I usually go ahead and order. It's $10.50. I'd order like some Uber Eats or something like that. Because the majority of times, if I step out, they'll come. I'll miss a shipment, and then it just wrecks everything up. So, you know, for $5, I'll go ahead and order out and then have them delivered to me. Because I usually go, if I would go out if I didn't have any pending orders, you know, coming in or something like that. So I'm anticipating somebody to come in. So this is where I order Uber Eats. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack some stuff, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, it's lunchtime. Shout out to Chief Pat. Yes, I do play that game, Clash Royale. I'm gonna start. Honestly, I'm gonna start those freaking Twitch channel me eating. I want to get into that, you know. I think it's easier. You just eat in front of people on YouTube. Shoot, I do that. Shout out to Dos Equis. I don't encourage drinking on the job, but I'm my own boss. I can do whatever I want. Oh, check this out. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see what it's like. I'm gonna do the Korean eating thing in front of you. You ever see those guys on like on like Instagram and YouTube? Let me switch that. All right, I got my rig set up. Let's try this out. This eating fame. Is this what they do? I don't know how they. I don't know what they do. How do they make? How is it so entertaining to have people eat in front of you? I have no idea. Oh yeah, pulled pork. I didn't have to chew really loud too. Let me get some of that that link, that hot link. Lunchtime. After I eat, I usually play like Clash Royale. Just for like 5-10 minutes, something like that. You know, like 2-3 games. It's like 11:40. All right, cut with the nonsense. We'll be back to doing business stuff. Well, this is the end of the day, and I have to drop off orders. So I'm gonna take it in my truck. Truck is filled up and ready to go out. You guys can see. Yeah, it's a little bit over about, let's say about 300 or so orders that I fulfilled today. It's a really busy week. It's the weekend. I'm not open the weekend, so my orders pile up, and that's why I ordered a bigger truck. If that was my regular Tacoma, it would be like pouring out. So with this bigger higher bed, I can just throw a lot more in, And that gives you kind of an example of a day in the life of what I do, how I ship out, and the normal process I do every single day. So I'm just fulfilling, shipping out orders, and it just gives you some insight. So hopefully you can gauge your structure on how I do mine and how you set your business in order to fulfill a lot of stuff that I do. So anyway, guys, please like and please subscribe for future videos. And you know, here's to another eBay video, business video, and take care. Bye bye.